What if everything you believed about wealth was completely wrong? Most people think millionaires are everywhere, that by your 30s you should own a house, drive a luxury car, and have six figures sitting in the bank. Social media makes it look like everyone is secretly rich except you. But here's the shocking truth. The average net worth by age in 2026 tells a completely different story. In reality, millions of people are struggling with debt, rising living costs, and financial pressure they never expected. And some of the people who look rich online, they're actually broke behind the scenes. Today, we're breaking down the real numbers, age by age, from your 20s to your retirement years. You'll discover where most people actually stand financially in 2026, why wealth gaps are exploding faster than ever, and the hidden reasons some people build massive fortunes while others stay trapped paycheck to paycheck. By the end of this video, you may completely rethink what being financially successful actually means. For years, society sold people a simple formula: go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, retire rich. But in 2026, that formula is breaking apart. Inflation has changed everything. Housing prices exploded in many countries. Rent keeps climbing. Food costs more. Cars cost more. Even basic survival feels expensive. At the same time, social media created a dangerous illusion. Every day people see influencers flying private jets, buying designer clothes, showing luxury apartments, and claiming they became millionaires overnight. What viewers don't see is debt. Huge debt. Leased cars. Borrowed money. Credit card balances. Fake lifestyles designed for clicks. The average person now compares their real life to someone else's highlight reel, and it creates massive financial anxiety. That's why understanding actual net worth numbers matters more than ever. Before we continue, let's define net worth in the simplest way possible. Net worth equals everything you own minus everything you owe. If you own a home worth $300,000 but still owe $250,000 on the mortgage, your equity is only $50,000. If you have $10,000 in savings but owe $15,000 in credit card debt, your net worth is negative. And here's the surprising part: many people with expensive lifestyles actually have very low net worth. Meanwhile, some quiet, ordinary-looking people are secretly wealthy because they invest consistently and avoid lifestyle inflation. Now let's break down the average numbers by age in 2026. Net worth in your 20s. Your 20s are financially chaotic for most people. Student loans. Low-paying entry jobs. High rent. Trying to build a life from scratch. In 2026, the average person in their 20s has a net worth somewhere between negative territory and around $30,000 depending on location and debt levels. That means millions of young adults are technically worth less than zero. And honestly, this is more common than people admit. But your 20s are less about being rich and more about building financial habits. This decade determines whether your future wealth grows or collapses. The biggest financial mistakes in your 20s often include overspending to impress people, financing expensive cars too early, ignoring investing, living entirely on credit, waiting too long to learn financial skills. But here's the good news. Your greatest advantage in your 20s is not money. It's time. Someone investing small amounts consistently at age 22 can outperform someone investing huge amounts starting at 40. Compound interest rewards time more than income. That's the secret most people discover too late. Net worth in your 30s. Your 30s are where reality hits hard. This is when many people start families, buy homes, raise children, and face serious responsibilities. By 2026, average net worth in the 30s often ranges $150,000 depending on career growth and housing ownership. But averages can be misleading. Because wealthy individuals dramatically skew the numbers upward. The median, meaning the typical person, is often much lower. A lot of people in their 30s feel financially stuck despite earning more money than ever before. Why? Because expenses rise with income. This is called lifestyle inflation. The moment salaries increase, spending increases too. Bigger apartment, nicer car, luxury vacations, expensive gadgets. And suddenly, despite earning more, savings barely grow. Meanwhile, financially disciplined people use their 30s differently. They focus on investments, retirement accounts, side businesses, real estate, multiple income streams. This decade is often where long-term wealth trajectories are created. Net worth in your 40s. Your 40s are often the dividing line between financial stability and financial panic. By this age, many people realize retirement is no longer far away. In 2026, average net worth for people in their 40s can range from around $150,000 to over $500,000 depending on assets, investments, and property ownership. But once again, appearances can be deceptive. Some people look successful while drowning in debt. Others live modestly while quietly building seven-figure portfolios. This is also the decade where financial pressure peaks for many families. Parents may be supporting children while also helping aging parents. At the same time, health concerns start becoming more expensive. Many people in their 40s suddenly realize they started investing too late, they saved too little, they relied too heavily on one income source, and this creates panic. But financial experts repeatedly say something important. Your financial future can still change dramatically in your 40s. Many successful entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners didn't become wealthy until later in life. Net worth in your 50s. By your 50s, retirement starts feeling real. This is where the gap between savers and spenders becomes extremely obvious. In 2026, average net worth for people in their 50s may range from roughly $300,000 to over $1 million depending on investments and property values. But remember, a high net worth does not always mean financial freedom. Someone with $1 million home but little cash flow may still struggle financially. Liquidity matters. Passive income matters. Debt matters. This is also the decade when many people regret financial decisions they made years earlier. The most common regrets include not investing sooner, carrying too much debt, depending only on salary income, spending excessively during high-earning years. At the same time, disciplined investors often experience massive portfolio growth during this decade because compound interest accelerates over time. Wealth starts snowballing, and the difference becomes enormous. Net worth in your 60s and beyond. Your 60s reveal the final outcome of decades of financial habits. Some retirees enjoy freedom, travel, and security. Others face fear, rising healthcare costs. Retirees varies wildly, from almost nothing to multi-million-dollar portfolios. And here's the uncomfortable truth: a surprising number of older adults still carry debt into retirement. Mortgages, credit cards, medical expenses. Many expected retirement to be easier than it actually is. But people who focused on long-term investing, modest living, and consistent saving often reach this stage with significantly less stress. And one major lesson appears over and over again: wealth rarely comes from one lucky moment. It usually comes from decades of disciplined behavior. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful videos about wealth, money, hidden economics, and financial psychology. Comment below, what age do you think is the hardest financially in today's world? And remember, the people who truly build wealth are usually not the loudest people in the room. They're the most consistent.